Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be working on my dining room. As you can see, I still have some of the winter decor up, so I'm going to take all that down, clean it up, dust everything, and then I'm going to decorate it. So let's get started. So first thing I'm going to work on is my dining room table. I'm going to keep the tablecloth because this is a brand new tablecloth and I feel like it suits the spring decor as well. And I'm going to take off all the decorations on it and then dust it. I have been really dragging my feet trying to figure out how I wanted to decorate this room. I kind of had an idea of what style to go with, but wasn't sure how to decorate it. This will be the last time I am decorating this room in this state. We are completely redoing this room as well. I am going to be putting my kitchen table in here, and I am selling the table, and the hutch is going to be going to my mother-in-law's. I have already purchased a new hutch for this room, and I can't wait to make it over because I think it's gonna look stunning once this room is completed the way I wanted it to be complete. But I still have probably a few months before that, so I did want to make it look somewhat decent and stylish for spring. If you're stopping by my channel for the very first time, welcome. My name is Sonja, and on this channel I try to give you tons of decorating inspiration as well as some cleaning and organizing motivation. So if this is something that interests you, I would love it if you considered subscribing and pressing the notification bell so you don't miss out any of my future uploads. So now that the table was nice and clean, I did put that thrifted bowl back on. It's a very shallow bowl, and I just added some greenery kind of to create the backdrop for the bunny that I'm gonna be placing here, which is a Dollarama bunny. And then I'm going to add some eggs, but I wanted to add more of the kind of softer colors, not the bright yellows, the bright pinks, but I have a couple speckled eggs that are a little bit softer, a little bit paler, and I like that for this room. I also added a few of those carrots, and I think this is just such a cute vignette for my table and very easy to move if I need to set it up for entertaining. Next, I'm going to be working on my little bar cart. This stays in a corner. If I have company coming or things like that, I do tend to add all of the necessary items on it for entertaining. But for now, it's just going to be sitting in this corner. So I wanted to give it a little bit of a new look, a little bit of sprucing up for spring. Last year down at the bottom I had some just loose lavender. I kind of made it look like a bunch of lavender laying on the bottom, but this year I have this dried lavender that I picked up from Marshall's, and I thought this would look perfect on the bottom here. And without having to move it, because it does make a lot of mess, it's gonna be a perfect spot. And then this basket I thrifted a while ago, and I wanted to add some greenery so it looks like you just came from your garden with a whole bunch of flowers. Next, I'm going to be working on this sideboard. Now the coffee maker's back here again, and I have to keep it here because we ended up getting a whole bunch of coffee for it because my daughter loves this coffee. So I thought we're just gonna keep it here for now. I don't have any room in the kitchen at this time, so it's gonna have to stay here. But once the kitchen is done and complete, I will have a dedicated coffee spot for my coffee maker, so that will go there. But for now, I just kind of have to make it work with my decor. So I'm just going to take everything off, dust it, and then redecorate it. I just love the way this little bird's nest with eggs looks. I think it just looks so cute in this cloche. And I love the little tray vignette that I created, lots of bright colors and some bunnies for all your spring feels. And then I'm going to now be decorating the top of the hutch. This is kind of tricky because you can't see a lot from the lip, but I still wanted to make it look somewhat pretty. So before I finished this room, I felt like this sideboard needed a little bit more stuff, and I found this. I forgot I had made it last year. This little French country inspired picture, and I wanted to add it, but then with that, this buffalo check blue, light blue picture did not fit in the decor, so I ended up just taking it off. I just love how simple and fresh this room turned out. Well, I hope you had enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend if you think they would like it too. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed. Make sure your notification bells are on, because there's much more decorating coming your way. And for all of you that are returning, thank you so much for your continuing support, and I hope to see you all in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.